This dog went viral after she had reached her final days. She was suffering from cancer and could barely leave her couch. Her owners knew they had to do something special for her, so they decided to take her to her favorite spot, the beach. It was her happy place. She struggled to walk, but the moment she saw the beach, something inside her lit up, and she had to get closer to those waves. She pushed herself to walk as much as she could, but her old bones needed a little help. That's when her owner came to help. And there she was, feeling those waves on her paws. Playing on the beach was her favorite thing to do, but she's too old to run around anymore. She just sat there watching the sea in silence for one last time. If she melted your heart too, subscribe.